Astonishing Perceptions Insights by Professor Dr. Azimkhan B, Pathan, Professor, Head of Law Department, School of Law, GD Goenka Law School, about Advantage India.
हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर आज़िम खान जो डीन है जीडी गोयंका के। आपसे मैं अनुरोध करना चाहूँगी कि आप भी मंच पर आएं और सबसे पहले इंडक्टस की टीम से सम्मान ग्रहण करें। तालियों के साथ स्वागत। और इस दौरान मैं आपको आज़िम खान पठान जी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूँगी। Dr. Azim Khan Pathan is a seasoned academic with 16 years of experience. He served as a professor of law and dean at Galgotia University, Greater Noida, and held key positions at other prestigious institutions. His expertise lies in climate change law, environmental law, and comparative public law research. Dr. Pathan has authored books, research chapters, and articles in esteemed journals. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Azim Khan to kindly come on stage and share his insightful views on the book.
Your Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice K.G. Balkrishnan ji, former Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice Ravindra Singh ji, my mentor, Advocate Adish Agrawala ji, all distinguished guests on the dais, Mr. Umesh Chaturvedi ji, Mr. Yadav ji, Mr. Srivastava ji, all students, participants, at the same time, Mr. Alouk Kumar ji, who has authored this very important book, this Advantage India. At the same time, Swamiji and all participant ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters. Indeed, this is very auspicious occasion when we are talking in the context of inauguration of this very important, the book, more specifically, which is in the context of Advantage India, and especially under the title of an emerging global hub for legal services, back office operations, and services delivery center, strength and opportunities. Let me apprise you that in this 21st century, and already Advocate Mr. Alouk Kumar ji has pointed out this very important point. And I was also having cursory view and cursory, a view of this particular book in a soft copy, where I was, seeing that how exactly he has brought that particular synergy of ancient India, more specifically in the context of development of entire, this legal norms, how exactly it has developed from ancient time. So he has connected that every ancient important, legal advocacy with contemporary India, where entire world is now indeed influenced by artificial intelligence and cyberspace. Indeed, he has very categorically has tried to bifurcate this pre-pandemic era and then post-pandemic era. And how exactly this legal advocacy, or more specifically this legal consultancy, it has tremendous impact in this entire legal profession. That particular aspect he has tried to brought in the discussion, and which is very vital and very important. Because when we are talking in the context of the cyberspace and artificial intelligence, it is directly influencing each and every sector of the country and all over the globe. Even if you will take into consideration any sector, either it may be medical profession or it may be even energy sector, corporate sector, or different multinational corporation, it has direct influence of this technology. And now when we are talking in the context of this 21st century, there is tremendous impact of technology. And rightly pointed out by my colleague brother, Mr. Alouk Kumar ji, in his book, that how exactly now this technology is influencing. And certain, the speaker, they have already, pointed out this, more specifically, Umesh ji has pointed out this particular point, that there is requirement of new solution. Let me tell you that there is tremendous potential and opportunities, as rightly pointed out by my colleague brother, Mr. Alouk Kumar ji, in his book, with reference to this technology. Because let me tell you that million crore, the business which is happening by multinational corporates, now those companies, corporations, generally they don't want to disclose their, entire trade secret inside the court. So there is now new advantage of, dispute settlement by arbitration and mediation. And recently, we have Mediation Act as well, which is very, very important. And now, with the help of this new technological growth, you will find that there is emergence of online dispute resolution. Those companies, corporations, indeed, they will be deciding, they will be, resolving their disputes where there is involvement of million crore rupees in the disputes. They will be settling outside the court with the help of arbitration, mediation, and with the help of online dispute resolution as well, sitting in America, sitting in India. So there is tremendous potential, and that has very rightly pointed out in this particular book by Alouk Kumar ji. And I really appreciate, his effort, and this particular, no doubt, this particular book will definitely become one of the important guiding, we can say, the stone. From here, you will find that there will be new opportunities that would be tapped. Let me tell you, very important aspect when we are talking in the context of this, artificial intelligence, technology, and then this legal process and legal services. Now, legal services and legal solutions have got such a shape that even with the help of artificial intelligence, AI-based software, which has come in the legal database in a spur of moment, in a quickest spur of moment, you can get to know that how many judgments, what exactly solutions, the different honorable judges, they have provided in a particular disputes. So this artificial intelligence and, information technology has expedited indeed the entire legal solutions as well. Because now the legal advices, it is also becoming more faster and faster with the help of, we can say this online data, or more specifically analysis of earlier judgments where the similar problem that has been already, solved by the judges, by the honorable judges, and by the, we can say the different courts of the system. So in that context, this particular, the India Advantage India, this particular book, which is, bringing that synergy of technology, post-pandemic, this online dispute resolution, it has become very, very pivotal. And I will also earnestly request that everyone, they should read this particular book, and especially those who are, related to not only this legal fraternity, by other fraternity, because this particular book is not only talking about the legal services and legal analysis, how exactly, in coming time, every sector, it will be influenced by, this legal advices, because legal advices is required in every sector. Even if you will say that establishment of any particular company or corporation or even this particular building construction, there are compliances. So in that context, it is very, very important to understand, and I am sure, this particular, attempt by Inductus Legal and Mr. Umeji, that would be very, very important, pivotal, we can say effort for this generation and this 21st century. I once again congratulate to Alouk Kumar ji for this very, very important attempt, and
Stay tuned
I
for
take
more
your
update of the
leave.
event.
Thank you very much.